Welcome to Technoland Expert. This HTML document is an advanced example of pure HTML and CSS artwork that builds a fully animated, responsive illustration of the Pokemon EV along with a Pokédex-style information panel, entirely without images, SVG, Canvas, or JavaScript, relying instead on nested div elements, pseudo-elements, gradients, shadows, transforms, and a large set of coordinated CSS keyframe animations. The head defines responsive behavior via the viewport meta tag, imports the Lotto font from Google Fonts for clean typography in the Pokédex panel, and then declares dozens of keyframes animations that control nearly every moving part of the character, including head bobbing and rotation, head shadow shifting for depth, eye tilting and blinking through animated eyelids, nose bouncing, mouth morphing between closed and open expressions, ear flapping with 3D-like rotations, tail wagging across multiple linked segments, chest and fur breathing motions, subtle body bouncing, and independent leg and paw movements, all timed over a 10-second loop using cubic Bezier easing curves to create smooth, organic motion. The .ev container sets the base dimensions of the character and is scaled down with media queries on smaller screens to maintain responsiveness, while a universal rule makes all child elements absolutely positioned, allowing pixel-precise placement. The body element forms Eevee's torso using rounded corners, warm brown gradients, and inset shadows to simulate for shading and light direction, and it animates vertically to match the character's idle bounce. Attached to the body, the chest and nested fur elements construct Eevee's fluffy neck ruff using overlapping circular shapes filled with vertical gradients from cream to white, with additional patch elements and pseudo-elements that create layered tufts of fur which sway independently through dedicated animations, enhancing realism. The head sits above the body and uses 3D transform properties like perspective and transform style, preserve 3D so its rotation feels dimensional, while its after pseudo-element cleverly adds extra fur highlights behind the head using skewed shapes and box shadows. The face uses asymmetric border radius values and a multi-stop linear gradient to sculpt Eevee's facial structure and lighting, with a radial gradient shadow added behind it via a pseudo-element to reinforce depth. Ears are built from large skewed rectangles with thick borders and inner outlines, animated around their base to flap naturally, and mirrored using rotation to avoid duplicating code. The eyes are complex gradient-based shapes that include pupils, iris shading, highlights, and reflective spots using layered radial gradients, while eyelids slide down from above using transforms to simulate blinking, all synchronized with subtle eye rotations. The nose is a small rounded shape that bounces slightly in sync with the head, and the mouth is one of the most expressive elements, animated to change size, position, border, background, and shadow so it alternates between a simple line and an open mouth, with side mouth curves fading in and out using opacity animations. The tail is a particularly sophisticated structure made of recursively nested tail elements, each scaled and rotated slightly differently so that when animated together they produce a fluid, whip-like wagging motion, ending in a cream-colored tail tip. End, styled with different gradients and extra fur shapes via pseudo-elements. The legs are grouped inside legs and consist of outer leg elements and inner leg sections that rotate around defined origins to suggest stepping or shifting weight, while paw details are created using layered gradients that imply toes and shading without explicit shapes, and animation delays stagger the motion so front and back legs feel offset and natural. The overall page layout uses Flexbox on the HTML body selector to center the EV and the Pokédex panel horizontally, or vertically on small screens, with a decorative repeating linear gradient background pattern that adds visual texture. The .dex section serves as an informational UI, styled with the imported Lotto font, light typography, spacing, and headings, and includes a Pokeball icon built purely from gradients and pseudo-elements, along with Eevee's Pokédex number, stats, description, and author credit. Responsive media queries adjust layout direction and background positioning for smaller devices, while global box sizing rules ensure predictable sizing across all elements. Taken together, this code is a showcase of high-level CSS illustration and animation techniques, demonstrating how layered gradients, border manipulation, pseudo-elements, absolute positioning, and carefully choreographed keyframes can replace traditional graphics and scripting to produce a rich, animated, resolution-independent character and interface using only HTML and CSS.